So are you ready for our 3 rapid fire questions?
I'm ready.
Okay, so Matt, give us one super tip on how to be successful in real estate investing.
One super tip is act immediately. And I think when I look back at my early career, I ordered this home study from Carlton Sheets, the no money down. So no money down. And I'll tell you this, I never used his method exactly, but it got me motivated. And I realized, why am I still waiting for the perfect time? So the principle I learned from Carlton Sheets wasn't about no money down. I actually put money down, but I decided to purchase. I said, I'm going to get out there and look for something. And I found this 5-unit place in Long Beach, California. I bought it and sold it 4 months later, and I made $180,000 profit. And I did that, I think, 23 years old. And I share that story not to impress you, but to impress upon you that concept of start now, because there's never a better time than now besides yesterday.